In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a form on your Volusion storefront. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything displays correctly on your site. So, let's dive in. First things first, we need you to open up your preferred web browser and search for Volusion. You can do this by typing Volusion into your search bar and hitting enter. Once you've done that, click on the official Volusion website link to get started. Now that we've reached the Volusion homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the Login option, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Just input your username and password, and click on Login. Make sure you have your login details ready to avoid any delays. With access gained into your Volusion account, you're going to navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control center, where you can manage various aspects of your store. So, from the dashboard screen, locate and click on Launch Site Designer. This is a crucial step because the Site Designer is where we'll be able to add and customize different elements to your store. Once in the Site Designer, you'll want to hover your mouse over the area on your web page where you want to place the form. It's important to select a spot that's intuitive for your customers to find, perhaps a sidebar or near the contact information. As you hover over different areas, a subtle option to Add Block should appear. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Now, we're getting to the exciting part. In the menu or list that appears, you're going to look for a block labeled Forms. You can do this quickly by using a search feature often found at the top of the block list. Simply type Forms, and it should pop up. Once you've found it, just select it and hit the Add Block button. This will place a default form template into the section you previously chose. Just like that, you're ready to customize your form as per your needs. While today's session covers just adding and publishing the form, remember customization can include editing fields, adjusting the design to match your branding, and adding any specific functionalities you desire. And there you have it. Your form is now live on the Volusion storefront and ready for your customers to use. Take some time to test it out and make sure it's working smoothly. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling!